Hi guys, Jelaine here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for watching. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. I am so excited to share this skincare routine with you guys. In this video, I'll take you step by step on how I do my own facial at home to achieve soft, smooth, and radiant skin. I know you're going to love this, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share. Enjoy!
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus.
First, I'm going to start off by cleansing my skin to remove any dirt. If you wear makeup, this is the step to remove your makeup. I'm using coconut oil because of its antibacterial properties, and it's also very gentle on the skin. Then I'll use the micellar cleansing water to ensure I get rid of every ounce of dirt and just to have a clean slate to work with.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Next, I'm going to exfoliate. For this step, I'll be using my go-to apricot scrub for fresh skin to remove any blackheads and impurities.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played.
Then, I'm following up with a facial massage using my Apricot Renewing Moisturizer. This contains collagen and elastin that helps to renew my skin and give a healthy glow. And I'll do this for about 10 minutes. Massaging the face helps to increase blood circulation and improve muscle tones.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
This step is basically a therapeutic session with just the right mixture of rosemary and lavender essential oils. The heat helps to make the skin relaxed and moist. Steaming helps to open the pores so the impurities can leave. This is great for oily and acne-prone skin types. For this recipe, I'll use 2 tablespoons of oats, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a few drops of tea tree oil. I recommend using ground oats or grinding really well. My blender did not grind it well enough, but I was still able to use it. For this step, the mask will help to remove the impurities while it nourishes and moisturizes the skin, giving back to the skin some radiance.
that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even want wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my lips. Bring me back to life. Don't dig deep like you would have a clue. All I see is how I was a fool to save my heart. Skip beats, thinking about you. Whoa. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even want wasn't anything. Yeah, I could say that you didn't need anybody.
The toner will tighten the pore and leave the skin feeling clean and looking bright.
So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my life.
This final step hydrates the skin and helps to retain and seal in moisture. I started with a serum, then used my vitamin E oil to lock in the moisture.
Bring me back to life. If we had another chance, I would never let you steal my
This is the final look, guys. My skin feels like a load has literally been lifted. My face is so light, smooth, and soft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.